about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
Good morning everybody, I hope you're all doing really well. Welcome to week 7 of lockdown. So I'm starting this vlog on Wednesday, not for any other reason, just that the weather was terrible yesterday and we didn't really get up to much. So we've got lovely weather it looks like today. So yeah, I just thought it'd be a bit more fun to vlog when the weather's a bit nicer and we can get out and about. So yeah, as I said, I hope you're all doing really well and staying safe. And if you want to see what we get up to in week 7, then just keep watching. Excuse my child, that is Ollie in the garden. Oh, and Ronnie. Hello, Ollie. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing?
Hey.
Come show me what you're doing. One fence painted. Oh, and we've actually done this fence as well. We're getting there. Where are your swings gone? You've taken the swings down.
Yeah.
Why have you put the right?
A better swing.
That's a better swing. Okay.
And I think that all your yards there.
Oh my gosh, you have. He loves his digger. You would honestly spend all day out here, wouldn't you?
Sit out here with me.
Hmm?
Sit out here with me.
Yeah.
On that swing?
Don't put it on the grass though, okay? Keep the bark in the play area. We need to finish painting your house, don't we?
My house.
Yeah.
Is he on the swing and watch me?
I don't think Mummy's butt will fit on that swing, baby.
No, I think you can't make it on. So,
Remember, Mummy's a lot bigger than you are. You okay? That's good balancing.
so can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Can I see you then?
Hold that then. Hold it still. Keep it pointed there. Is this right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
He's on hold the camera. And what's me and so on the swing?
Oh, I can't do it and on the swing, babe.
No, carefully. Mummy,
Yeah?
how can I make it this big pile of mud?
I don't know, darling. Are you digging it all up?
Yeah. Where?
Ready? You're going down. Oh, okay. Good job. Oliver, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Getting a dinner.
Let me see. Oh, look at the sprinkles. That looks delicious. Let Mummy see. Is it
Yeah? No.
taste nice? Okay. Have you been having fun in the garden, baby? You love it when the weather's nice, don't you? Yeah. Do you like it in the garden?
Yeah, swimming pool.
Yeah, it's not quite warm enough yet for the swimming pool. It just makes such a difference being at home when the weather's nice so the kids can get outside, because Ollie doesn't have any like set schoolwork that comes through like what Darcy does. So I mean, he does love playing with his cars and things. Should we go and show everyone what you've done in the front room? I'll show you my front room again. Oh, what are we doing today then? Oh, you've got a little road set up. And Mummy fixed your traffic lights, didn't she? Hot Wheels. Oh, wow. Show me your traffic lights, baby. What does red mean?
Stop.
Stop. What does green mean?
And go.
Go. This is very good.
It's better to say stop.
It means get ready. Because it's going to go green after, doesn't it?
4 equal pieces. We've divided it into quarters. This circle represents 0.
She's got her learning fuel.
1 quarter. 2 quarters. 3 quarters.
You okay? You get it?
And 1
Good girl.
All 4 quarters have been colored in when we show.
Hey, excuse the state of me. I've just done my workout. It actually wasn't that bad today. It's a tone and power. So, I mean, it was, don't get me wrong. It was really, really hard, but it's not like a sweaty shredder. So I'm on week 6 now. So I started this program a week into lockdown and I'm doing the Sarah's Day ebook. So yeah, I'm finding it really hard. But what have we got, Ollie?
My toy.
Ollie had some money for Easter. Well, I don't know if this is for you. I'm guessing it is. Right. Mind your fingers, because I've got scissors.
But I'm not getting anything. It's my birthday in 19 days.
Well, no, but you have still got some Easter money, haven't you?
Yeah, but I'm saving it.
Oh, okay. That's fine, you can do
have
it.
£27.
Oh, you've got it anyway, haven't you, in your purse, your Easter money? Right, let's put this, where can we put this?
Maybe you can hold out. I'll just hold it together. But I can see.
Sit down, sit down.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm excited.
You're excited?
What is this? Oh no. Daddy. Oh. Daddy told me this. I feel a bit insect-minded.
Ollie, sit down, darling.
I'm going to have a pet lizard for my birthday.
Are you?
You're probably terrified
I
of
don't know
it.
how I feel about a pet lizard. What is it? Right, I'm making a proper... Right, Mummy's not doing a good job there. So slide it out this way. It's a good job we're not one of those unboxing channels,
Oh
isn't it?
my god.
Oh my gosh, what is this?
Oh my god, that's my toy.
Your toy? Should we? Ollie.
Can be life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
So, I'll hang it up and it'll dry. Let me see how it turned out. Oh, I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
We did this yesterday, didn't we, in the garden?
Yeah.
We just had a tie-dye kit off, just got it from Aldi. But there is that big tie-dye kit that Keka said to you about off Amazon, didn't she?
Yeah.
So maybe we can have a
My
look.
birthday. I like how there's a massive white patch in the middle.
Yeah.
Because my other one, I have.
Hey, Ron. Are you venturing outside, are you? He'll go and lay now directly in the sun and then he'll sit there panting. You're such a silly dog, aren't you? You're such a silly boy. What are you doing? Taking your hay bales out?
What, can we do some art in a minute?
Yeah, we'll finish your... Oh, what are you doing? Let's open the door up for you.
This is the farmhouse. My tie-dye stuff is still done.
Yeah, we'll put that away. We'll do some lunch in a second, okay?
Okay. I want to.
Not looking back, eyes on the
Good afternoon, everybody. Oh, I'm starting today's vlog slightly later. I decided to get my workout done a little bit earlier this morning because my hair was in desperate need of a wash and I wanted to wash my hair before Tom gets home. He's hopefully going to try and get home a little bit earlier today because he needs to actually pick something up from one of the tool shops. I don't really know, but he said about us all just going for a little bit of a ride in the car just to get me and Darcy and Ollie out of the house. So I know it sounds really odd, but I'm really looking forward to just getting in the car and going for a drive. So yeah, I'm just giving the kids lunch at the moment. That's why it was quiet in there. Here's where the chaos descends. We okay?
Daddy?
So you're eating your lunch with your hay bales.
Daddy?
What are you doing up, Darcy?
I'm staring.
Your hamster?
Yeah, and I can't get enough.
Did you put makeup on today, baby?
Yeah,
Yes, you've got a little bit of black under your eye there. Max. And then we've got Ronnie. I know what you're waiting for. You're hoping there's going to be some scraps, aren't you? So yeah, it's Thursday today and it's actually a bank holiday weekend. So originally the bank holiday was meant to be Monday just gone, but it got changed, I think quite late, it got changed to Friday. So yeah, Tom's off tomorrow. So I think, I don't really know what we're going to do. Obviously not a lot because we're still in lockdown, but I think we're just going to do a few more bits and pieces on the kids' house and hopefully get it finished, because I said this all last year and it didn't end up getting finished. So I want it finished for them this year, because probably next year or the year after, Darcy certainly won't be able to fit in that. She struggles to stand up straight upstairs anyway, so they're going to need something this a lot taller. So I just want them to get some use out of it. So yeah, we'll probably do that. But we've got some cardboard boxes. Well, we've got a large cardboard box because I want to make a twig love heart. It's been going around on social media. I got the idea off of Mrs. Hinch. So you cut a heart back out of, well, not a back, but like a hat, 2 halves out of the cardboard, and then you go and collect twigs. This sounds really like it's not going to turn out really well, but it looks really, really cool. And then you hot glue, hang on baby, you hot glue the twigs onto the heart, and then you can either leave it like that or you can spray paint it. She spray painted hers, baby, I'm just talking darling, she spray painted hers grey and it looks so cool. So I was thinking of doing it, and I mean it probably won't last very well if it rains, but I was going to put it. Hello, darling.
I'm using Dad's big cardboard.
But yeah, we've got some cardboard, haven't we? You can help me pick some twigs. I was thinking of putting it in the middle of that fence there, because I think it'll look really nice with the little seating area. Obviously, if it rains, I was going to put it on those. Oh, Ollie likes to talk to our neighbour. She's an older lady and she lives on her own, and it's really sweet actually. Ollie stands on the arm of the chair and he chats to her for. Is he not? He'll be out in a bit. Yeah, and he talks to her over the fence. You like talking to Lynn, don't you? Yeah, is she nice to you? Yes, I'm going to put it on some command, like the Velcro back strips, and then if it rains I can just pop it off and bring it in, because obviously it's not going to hold up too well with the cardboard back. But yeah, I think we're going to do that. So yeah. Oh, she doesn't want... This is modern day problems. Darcy, your brother does not want to do a TikTok. He'll do it later, okay? Now you guess what you had to say. So yeah, I think I'm going to do some lunch. I'm feeling really good today because I've actually got some makeup on and I've washed my hair. And this workout program is stepped up a notch this week, because there's something every single day. And today's workout was called a sweaty shredder. Oh my gosh. And usually I work out with my sister, but she she's swamped at work at the moment, so she could only make a later time, and I knew I wanted to wash my hair and be ready for when Tom got home, because it sounds really sad, but I just want to go for a drive in the car just to break up the walls of the house. So I had to do it myself, and I was really struggling. I almost didn't do it, and it goes to show it is too easy to say, oh, I'm not gonna do something, I'm just gonna not do it today. So I forced myself to do it, and it's one of the best workouts I've done. My heart rate was in peak, I was in cardio, I was sweating, my hair was soaking wet, and I hadn't washed it since the weekend, so it was in desperate need. It was stuck to my head. So yeah, I'm feeling fresh, and we're gonna go for a drive, and the sun is shining, so yeah, happy Thursday in lockdown week 7. So
look at that.
This is a major hint. Ollie obviously wants some chocolate ice cream on a cone, so I guess that's what we're making right now. Listen, Mummy's gonna make this for you, and then I need to have my lunch as well, okay? Oh, and we've got sprinkles and strawberry sauce.
Freeway, Bonnie and Clyde.
We ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready, Ollie?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, are you ready?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're going to Filton and then we're going to Haley's house.
Oh, we're going on a drive. This is the excitement of our lives.
It actually is.
Come on, show for Daddy. Let's go for a drive.
Yet somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
On your marks, get set, go!
Hey everybody, it's my unicorn. Hi. It's Sunday today, so the weather's awful just for a change, so we're having a nice slow day, and we're going to show you how we make our lockdown heart, I think they're called.
Oh yeah.
So we've collected all of our twigs. You would have seen that when we posted that when we went for a walk yesterday, and yeah, hopefully it turns out okay. So we've got a bag of twigs, our secateurs, and our heart, so, and our hot glue gun. So what I've seen is that you go around the outside with a border and then you layer it up. So do you think we should try that? Yeah.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you and me.
So I think we're done. We are going to spray paint it as well, but we're just going to let the glue go off. Yeah, I really like it. Darcy's just deciding whether she wants to put some pine cones on it.
Because
What are you thinking?
Go like that, like a love heart. But I'm not too sure because it's mummy's.
It's not, it's all of ours. We could do it like that maybe.
That
But I think if we put it on after, if we spray paint it first.
Yeah, maybe we could like spray paint that gold so this can be like white and then it can be gold.
Yeah, maybe. We'll have a look at some different spray paints. And then, yeah.
I really want one. I really want
We've
it.
got some more sticks. We can just go and get some more.
There's loads left.
So now we need to clear up. So now we need to put the front room back together. What time is it? 6:20.
You done that, Eric?
Yeah, it didn't take that long, did it, baby?
Oh, I was.
So do you know what week it is tomorrow?
Week 8?
Yeah. So yeah, I think we're gonna end the vlog here, and we'll speak to you next week in week 8 of lockdown. We've got an announcement at 7 PM this evening, so in about 40 minutes, just to see if any restrictions are going to be lifted. So wait and see. But yeah, hope you're all staying safe, and we'll see you next week. Bye everyone. And say bye bye, baby.